Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best shelf pins is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components of any shelving system, impacting not only the stability and functionality of your shelves but also the overall aesthetic appeal of your furniture. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of shelf pins, exploring various types, materials, installation methods, and most importantly, helping you choose the perfect shelf pins to ensure your shelves are sturdy, secure, and stylish. Number 5. 5mm spoon-shaped shelf pegs. These stylish and functional shelf pegs are perfect for adding extra shelving to your cabinets or replacing missing parts. They're easy to install and will give your furniture a touch of elegance. Each peg has a 5mm diameter and is 19mm in total length, with an 8.7mm pin length. Make sure your holes are the correct size before purchasing. It fits perfectly into 5mm diameter holes. They are ideal for cabinets, wardrobes, shelves, and bookcases. Simply insert them into the pre-drilled holes. They provide sturdy support for your shelves. Your package contains 60 pieces of these high-quality shelf pegs. They are nickel-plated for durability and a sleek finish. Please double-check your hole size before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. Other sizes are available in our store if needed. What we like? It comes with 60 pieces, perfect for replacing missing parts or adding shelves to your existing cabinets. If you need a classic, spoon-shaped shelf pin in a standard size, this is a great economical option. It's ideal for those needing a simple and affordable solution for their 5mm shelf holes. What people say? These are strong because they're metal and fit perfectly. They fit perfectly and snug. These were exactly what I needed for my shelf. They were very easy to install and the size was perfect. Number 4. POWERTEC QP1106 Shelf Pegs. These shelf pegs are perfect for all your shelving needs. They're easy to install and built to last. You'll receive 100 pegs in this pack, ensuring you have plenty for all your projects. That's a great value. Installation is a breeze. Simply insert them into 1 4-inch holes, no special tools required. Made from premium stainless steel with a nickel finish, they are durable and reliable. They'll support your shelves for years to come. Use them in kitchens, bookshelves, closets, or anywhere you need sturdy shelf support. They are even great for IKEA Billy shelves. The unique spoon shape provides a secure hold for your shelves, preventing items from sliding off. It's a simple but effective design. These pegs provide strong and reliable support for your shelves, ensuring your items stay safely in place. They're a smart choice for any shelving project. What we like? This pack offers 100 shelf pins, providing ample replacements or additions for larger projects. They're easy to install by hand, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a convenient and high-quantity option for your 1 4-inch holes, this is the perfect choice for quick and easy shelving solutions. What people say? The pins do have 2 orientations that work, whether or not they were designed for that purpose. The different orientation allows the pin to support the shelf a bit higher or lower. Perfect fit and stronger than old plastic ones. They are well made, have a great finish and are easy to install. Number 3. Swpeet Shelf Pins Kit. These shelf pins are made of nickel-plated iron, ensuring durability and a long lifespan. They're designed to fit both 5mm and 6mm shelf holes. This kit includes 4 different styles of shelf pins to suit your needs. You'll find the perfect fit for your cabinets and shelves. Use them in cabinets, entertainment centers, bookcases, anywhere you need reliable shelf support. They come in a handy storage box for easy organization. The L-shaped design securely holds the pins in place, preventing them from falling out. This ensures your shelf stays stable and secure. For a tight fit, make sure your shelf holes are equal to or slightly smaller than the pin diameter. These pins are compatible with 5mm and 6mm holes. What we like? This kit offers 4 different styles of shelf pins to suit various needs and preferences. It includes sizes to fit both 5mm and 6mm holes. If you need variety and a secure fit, this kit's unique designs will keep your shelves firmly in place. What people say. The Swpeet 120 PCS4 Styles Shelf Pins Kit met my expectations by providing exactly what was promised on the packaging. I needed a variety of shelf pins for a home project, and this kit delivered with quality and convenience. One of the standout features of this product is its thoughtful packaging. The pins come organized in individual compartments, making it easy to find and use the specific pin style needed for each project. I used these shelf pins to install custom shelves in my bathroom cabinet above the toilet, where the single existing shelf was inadequate for my storage needs. The kit offered a variety of pin sizes and styles, which allowed me to choose the perfect fit for the custom shelves. They worked exactly as needed and provided a sturdy solution for my shelving needs. This multiple type package should replace most pegs. Even if they're not identical, there's enough to work as an alternative replacement to hold your shelves. Number 2. Tbestmax Shelf Pins. These shelf pins are perfect for supporting shelves in your home. They're strong, durable, and easy to install. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they are resistant to rust and corrosion. They'll last for years to come. With a diameter of 5 mm and a height of 18 mm, they're the perfect size for most standard shelf holes. Make sure your holes are 5 mm or slightly smaller for a tight fit. Use them in cabinets, entertainment centers, bookcases, wherever you need reliable shelf support. They are incredibly versatile. This pack includes 120 pieces, giving you plenty to use for all your shelving needs. You'll have more than enough. Simply insert them into your pre-drilled holes. It's quick, easy, and requires no special tools. What we like? With 120 pieces, you'll have plenty of shelf pins for all your projects. They're made from durable stainless steel, ensuring a long lifespan. If you prioritize durability and quantity for your 5 mm holes, this is a great long-term solution. What people say. Works great and fit perfectly. Perfect replacement for our units and enough pieces to last us quite a while. They are far cheaper than getting them anywhere locally. They're not flimsy at all. They hold shelves up well. And they fit fairly smoothly in the standard closet systems I purchased at Home Depot and Lowe's. Number 1. Shelf Support Pegs. These pegs are perfect for organizing your shelves. They're designed for a secure and stable fit in your cabinets and shelving units. With a diameter of 1/4 inch, they fit standard cabinet holes. Each peg is carefully crafted for a snug fit and lasting durability. The L-shaped design ensures they stay firmly in place. This prevents shelves from shifting or falling, adding an extra layer of safety. Made from high-quality steel with a polished nickel finish, they are rust-resistant and built to last. Their smooth surface ensures easy installation and a clean look. Use them in kitchens, bookshelves, closets, or any space needing shelf support. They're incredibly versatile and easy to install by hand. Ensure your cabinet holes are 1/4 inch or slightly smaller for a secure fit. Keep these small parts away from children. What we like? This set includes 40 L-shaped shelf pins, offering superior stability and a secure fit. The L-shaped design prevents the pins from falling out. If you need extra security and a strong hold for your shelves, and you have 1/4 inch holes, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They are extremely sturdy and the shelves feel secure. Very sturdy and strong, good quality product. Provides good support for heavy shelves. I replaced the plastic ones in all of my kitchen cabinets because they were 20 years old and brittle. I didn't want the nightmare of dishes crashing down, and this was a great replacement. Easy to install and sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.